Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Want to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video. And guess what? We'll talk. Well, hey family, happy Wednesday. This is Darlene. So I was sitting here making some more pendants. So I had an idea. I wanted to make a pendant using coconut chips. So my thought was I wanted to try to layer it, if that makes sense. Like layer the coconut chips almost like fringes. You know how you can buy like a purse or something and it got like layered fringes on it. So that's what I was thinking for the coconut chips. I do like the way it came out. I think it will make an amazingly beautiful, let me see. I think it'll make a beautiful pendant. However, what I did is I have to use the thicker wire. So what I did is I used the 18 gauge aluminum wire to string it. And I did that on purpose to see like how they would look. So if it don't look right, because I have so much wire, praise God, I have so much of it that if it didn't come out right, I can go ahead and just clip it and and I didn't use very much of it, but I could clip it off, take the coconut chips off, and then use a thicker wire. So that's what I'm going to have to do. But I love the way it came out. So now I figured out a way how to layer them from the wrong way to layer them, and also to use a thicker wire. So as I use the thicker wire, that thicker wire will allow me to be able to lay the bead down and the bead will stay because the wire is so thick and it's sturdy. So when I beat it, meaning the coconut chips, lay the coconut chips, bend the wire, the wire is so it's thick and it's sturdy enough and it's flexible enough to where it will literally just stay down. It won't have like here you can see like with this chip right here is supposed to be under this chip, but it didn't stay because the wire is thin enough to where it allows for the bead to just slide down. So it's not even supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be up. But as I put it on, it's not, so it's supposed to be able to, let me see. If it laid right, you wouldn't even be able to see the wire. It would just basically be, all you would see is coconut chips. But I do like this. I think it's very different. And then I use one of those oval beads that I hand painted to string the coconut chips on. So I do see what I need to do to it, but I do love this. I love this. I love this. And I'm going to make a couple of these to make a couple of necklaces. It's kind of like a ball shape, but I wasn't going for a ball shape. I was kind of going for it to just kind of hang from the side. But my thing is, however it comes out, and as long as it's sturdy, I'm good with that because it's very different. It's really pretty. I mean, it's really pretty, and I can imagine what it's going to look like. Do I got some beads up here? Some big beads? Oh, look, I got some right here. So once I start like actually making something, I'm not using these, but just as an idea. So once I start using something, some big beads to match, with the pendant, I could imagine what this pendant is going to look like. So I'm probably going to use more than just the hand painted beads. I might use some other beads. It just depends. Once I start putting it together, I will see. And in my mind, I'm thinking one side is just going to be like really, really different. And then the other side will have like kind of like the same beads, maybe all hand painted on one side. And then the other side might have some small, medium, and large, and just like all different kind of beads on this side, just to make it, just look really creative. So I do like the way the pendant came out, or even like these. I like these beads right here too, the graffiti beads. Oh yeah, I might use a lot of different colors of graffiti beads. I'm not sure yet, but once I perfect Once I perfect this pendant, because I'm getting ready to take this apart and redo it, but once I perfect this pendant, I'm going to go ahead and make a pendant, and then I think this time I'm going to go ahead and videotape myself doing it. And then that way I could just go ahead and add the video up here and you guys can see. So if you want to make one, you can make one. But anyway, darling, I appreciate everybody. Can guess what? We'll talk.